So first things first. You might be wondering why we're out here tonight. And let's trust the fact that Brody keeps talking to us backstage because he wants to rejoin Demolition. However, I'll get back to that in a second, but I would just like to address that we are now going to be called the Syndicate. Demolition is no more. We are now the Syndicate. And if you do not agree with that, we will kick your ass. Anyway, back to the topic of Brody. After he's kicked out of what was known then as Demolition, now known as the Syndicate, he just kept coming up to us backstage, begging and pleading. So I'd like to call him out tonight and challenge him to a title versus career match with no outside interference. And if there is, I will lose my title. So, Brody, you're going to come out, or you're going to stay in the back like the chicken I know you are? Okay, alright, Jesus. I get it. I might be a little bit annoying, but I came out. So, you want to... Fine, I'll take this challenge. Me and you. Title versus career. Challenge accepted. Let's go. Ding, ding, ding. This match is a title versus career match. If Brody loses, he has to leave TCW and never return, and he cannot return. But if Stefano loses, he loses his title. And Brody has to keep his career. So let the match get underway. Stefano already firing in the shots. And we'd like to inform you about the fact that if any member of the Syndicate cannot get involved, because otherwise Stefano will lose his title. And now I shot to the midsection. It's getting him set up. What's he going for here? What a power bomb! Power bomb and a cover. 1, 2. Brody kicks out. Brody kicks out. Now he's going to crawl towards the ropes. Crawling towards the ropes now. Stefano now. Look at him firing some shots. We're going to rebound off the ropes. And they take each other down with a clothesline. They both take each other down. And now Brody crawling towards the ropes again. Brody can't get up by himself. Stefano's getting up by himself, however. Now, they're in the middle of the ring. These two, they're trading blows. And now, so they're going to rebound him into the turnbuckles. And a high knee. And now, he's going to go for a bulldog. Shades of a CM Punk. That's a CM Punk move right there. Cover. 1, 2. Kick out. You may be wondering, Stefano might be defending the IC title, but he doesn't have it out here with him. Now these two are brawling. And brawling. Stefano now. Oh, backbreaker. Now he's going to kick him in the gut. Kicks him in the gut. Gets him. DDT. DDT. And now, 1, 2, kicks out again. How come you never kicked out when you were in Demolition, huh? How come you never kicked out this much when you were with us, huh? Answer me. Huh? You've never, ever cared this much to kick out. Stefano now. Look at him. Bash him in the corner. He's gonna beat the shit out of him. Running knee in the corner. Stefano now looking to put him on the top rope. What's he got in mind here? Taking him to the top rope. Spanish fly. Cover, 1, 2. Birdie still kicks out. Stefano doesn't know what to do. He's so mad. And they've got him on his shoulders. He's looking to put the final nail on the coffin, but what move is he going for? Go to sleep. The GTS. That's definitely CM Punk's finish right there. CM Punk's Procal's Superstar of the Week. Well, let's do it. 1, 2. Kick out. But Birdie gets picked up. Power slam. 1, 2. He kicks out again. I have no idea what Stefano's going to do right about now. He's got to be frustrated. I mean, he was frustrated before, but now he's got to be even more frustrated. But he can't have interference. The Syndicate cannot interfere in this match. Kalen and Austin Theory can't do nothing. They can't help him. And no one's going to help Brody. So Brody might as well just give up here. He might as well just give up. Stefano's just thinking he doesn't know what to do. Oh, yes he does. He knows exactly what he's doing. Get up. He's calling him up. Brody now, slowly getting to his feet. Don't turn around, Brody. Bennett, don't turn around. Claymore. 1, 2, 3. That does it. Here is your winner, and still the Intercontinental Champion, Stefano. Stefano just ended Brody's career. Now there's nothing he can do. Now the Syndicates are coming in the ring now to celebrate with Stefano. They're here to celebrate with him. Now both Kalen and Theory holding Stefano's hands up high in celebration. They can't believe that they can believe, but we can't believe what just happened. Brody's in-ring career is over. Yeah, give us a couple of marks. Wait, Theory wants a couple of marks now. Gives one to Kellen and gives one to Stefano. Brody, don't get me wrong, you put up a hell of a fight. I just don't see why you never kicked out this much when you were with us. If you kicked out this much, you would never have been kicked out and this never would have happened. So, you had a good career. Well, no, actually. No, you didn't. You had a shit career. And now it's time for you to leave. Get out of the ring. You don't belong here anymore. Get out. You shouldn't even be here. You just lost. Your career's over. And I'd just like to say that I am still the Intercontinental Champion. And there's also one thing we'd like to say. Happy New Year to everyone. By the time this video, this comes out, it'll already be past the New Year, but we'd like to say a Happy New Year to all. Except you, Brody. You can go find something else to do now. Now you've got to get another job, since your career in TCW is over. Now, first and foremost, we were always never happy with him. And not only that, he was an absolute loser. He always lost every match he was in. Isn't that right? Yes, certainly is. Now, I can't guarantee anything, but the WrestleMania seems to be coming around this year. I can't guarantee that it will, but I've heard some things about it being sometime this year. Like I said before, I don't know how many times I have to keep saying this, but I can't guarantee it will. But however, when it does, Theory will go against Edge. I will defend my Intercontinental Championship. We don't know what Cameron's doing. He might have the night off. Or I might have a match. Who knows? Yes, that's correct. You might have a match, or you might just have a break for the night, which, truthfully, we all deserve a break. So we are going to end this now. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.